Hello children. In the previous class we have learned about decimals and more fact about decimals, and in this class we are learn the how to write expanded form of decimals. So here I have our decimal number, that is 0.32. How we write the expanded form of this number? This is 10th, so we write here 3/10. 3/10 tenths, and this is in hundreds place, so we write here 2 hundredths together. So or also we write this number like 0.3 plus 0.02. Here 2 is hundreds place, so we put 0 here, and we got this. And also we write like that, 3/10 plus 2/100. So these are the expanded form. We can write in any ways, 1, 2 and 3. These are all expanded form of this number. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take 0.705. So here 7/10 and here 0 is in hundreds place, so we write 0 hundreds. Sorry, DREDTHS, hundreds and 5 thousands. Together. Or we write 0.7 plus 0.0 means 0 and plus 0.005, or 7/10 plus 0/100, that means 0. Okay, right, 0/100 and 5/1000. So that is how we write the expanded form of any fractional numbers. Now we learn about the short form. Short form is the opposite of the previous one, opposite of the expanded form. Okay, here given is that point 0.1 plus 0.05 plus 0.009. So this is the expanded form. How we write the short form of this expanded form? Like 0.159, and also it is given like 1/10 plus 5/100 plus 9/1000. So it is the expanded form. The short form is same, 1.159. So if there is any whole number like number given like 4 plus 0.2 plus 0.03. So what is the short form here? 4.23, like that. Okay, so that is how we do the short form. Okay, now look at this number like 5.3. okay, it is a decimal number. Okay, it is a decimal fraction. We call this number as a decimal fraction. So we call this number a decimal fraction. In this number, two parts are here. One part is on the left side of the point and other is on the right side of the point. এখানে আমরা দুটো পার্ট দেখতে পাচ্ছি। এটাকে গোটাটাকেই বলে ডেসিমাল ফ্র্যাকশন। ওকে, আমরা এই পয়েন্টের যে বাঁ দিকে যে নাম্বারটা আছে সেটা একটা পার্ট, আর পয়েন্টের ডান দিকে একটা যেটা নাম্বার আছে সেটা একটা পার্ট। তাহলে এগুলোর কিন্তু আলাদা নাম আছে। সো the number that is in the left side of the fraction, that is called integral part. So here integral part is 5 and this part is called decimal part. Decimal part is 0.3. So for the decimal fraction 5.3, the integral part is 5 and the decimal part is 0.3. এই যে ডেসিমাল নাম্বার 5.3 এর ইন্টিগ্রাল পার্ট হলো 5 এবং ডেসিমাল পার্ট হলো 3. So let's take some more example like 147.81 or 0.8 or 1.004. So what is the integral part in this number? That is 147. And what is the decimal part here? 0.81. What is the so in this number there is no integral part, so we write 0 here and the decimal part is 0.8. আর এই নাম্বারটা দেখো, এই নাম্বারে ইন্টিগ্রাল পার্ট হচ্ছে 1 এবং decimal part হচ্ছে 0.004. Now look here, equivalent decimals. equivalent মানে হচ্ছে সমান। এখানে আমরা সমান ডেসিমালস কোনগুলো সেগুলো জানবো। ওকে, let's take example. I take 0.2, that means 2/10. okay, if we add a 0 after 2, we write this fraction, the expanded form of this fraction is 2/10 plus 0/100. That is the equivalent of 2/10, that is 0.2. If we add another 0 in the right side, so what is the expanded form here? 2/10 plus 0/100 plus 0/1000. The answer is 2/10 and this. So here you can see all these fractions are equal. এখানে যে ফ্র্যাকশনগুলো দেখছো সব ইকুয়াল। You can add, if you add any number of 0 in the right side of any fractional number, that is the equivalent of the same. মানে এই যে তোমরা দেখছো 0 পয়েন্টের পরে 2 আছে, এরপরে তুমি যতই 0 লাগাও এখানটায় 2.0000 যতই 0 লাগাও এটা কিন্তু একই ভ্যালু, এইটারও যা ভ্যালু সেম ভ্যালু, এইটার একই ভ্যালু। ওকে, তাহলে these are equivalent. And if we add 0 like 0.2, that is also equivalent with that fraction. So 0.2 is also equivalent 0.2. So these are equivalent. আমরা পয়েন্টের আগে যদি 0 লাগাই তাহলেও কিন্তু সেম ভ্যালু থাকবে। সো এটাই হচ্ছে ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট ডেসিমালস।